Hello everyone and welcome to Tencada Protective Fabrics TECASAFE Plus Multilite virtual launch. I think most of you or some of you may know me. If not, I'm Mark Grundy, Industrial End-Use Market Manager for Australia and New Zealand. I'm joined today by my colleague Tim Thorne, our International Business Development Manager and Bangkok-based textile expert. We'd like to take some time to explain the finer technical details of not only Tencada's TECASAFE Plus Multilite, our lightest PPE2 fabric, but also how this revolutionary offering fits in with the rest of our TECASAFE Plus inherent FR and arc protective fabric range. Along the way, we'll have some fun and give away some prizes. Now, you may be aware of our popular TECASAFE Plus 480-160 GSM and 580-200 GSM PPE1 fabrics, and our TECASAFE Plus 700-240 GSM PPE2 fabric used in shirts, coveralls and pants. It's a range that's been a market leader in the Australian and New Zealand market for over 8 years. But there's a new lightweight 185 GSM PPE2 fabric that's going to change the game in 2021. Multilite is the newest addition to the Tencada TECASAFE Plus family. As I said in our introduction, it's our lightest weight PPE2 inherent fabric, weighing in at 185 grams per square metre and achieving an arc rating of over 8 cal in every shade. It's an excellent option for shirts, coveralls and trousers. What makes it stand out from the crowd? Well, its attributes. It's cooler, drier and more comfortable a fabric than any of our competitors have in the market. Tencada's Coolderm technology is included in Multilite, as it is in all of our TECASAFE Plus fabrics. Just like the FR and arc properties, the Coolderm benefits are inherent, so they don't wash out over time. In our part of the world, our often harsh, hot and humid environment is a challenge for workers. Coolderm's active moisture wicking technology, combined with its evaporative cooling effect, keeps them cool. Superior moisture management combined with great breathability makes Multilite and indeed the TECASAFE Plus range top of the list for comfort in everyday workwear. Additionally, TECASAFE Plus range is also hypoallergenic. This ensures there are no added chemicals to irritate the skin. The product range is also OEKO-TEX 100 certified. TECASAFE Multilite has a full range of colours, including AS NZS 1906.4, yellow and orange with UPF 50+. Tencada's experience and industry knowledge make sure that those light shades are PPE2 and have an ATPV above 8 cal per square centimetre. You can always rest assured that we will have all shades used in high visibility garments tested, and those reports are available. Our true colour technology means that your workwear keeps looking vibrant even after industrial laundry, another inherent property that does not wash out. You can see in this slide, and samples are available, that our colours stay true after 25 and 50 washes, delivering deep, rich and where needed dark shades that will stand up to repeated laundering without fading, heathering or shrinking. This is across the large range of colours available through the TECASAFE Plus family. In addition, the TECASAFE Plus range is UL certified. Tencada Protective Fabrics has a long history of innovating FR textiles and is a recognised world leader in flame protection. So here are a few key things to remember about TECASAFE Plus Multilite. It's lightweight, proven PPE2 in all shades at 185 grams per square metre. It's cool, dry and comfortable. Proven Coolderm technology that keeps you cool. It's inherent technology, not only for the flame resistance, but for the wicking and of course the true colour, so your clothing keeps its colour, its comfort and its protection. It's always going to be there. It's tried and tested. NFPA 2112, NFPA 70E, UPF 50+, AS NZS 1906.4, all third-party tested and certified.
Mark, welcome back everyone who joined us for the TECASAFE 1 launch. In that last webinar, you'll remember us discussing the 2 different ways to manufacture FR protective fabrics. The first being FR treated fabric. So that's applying an FR chemical to normal workwear fabrics to make the FR properties. And then the second is an inherent FR fabric using special FR fibers to build the FR properties from the ground up. Our entire TECASAFE Plus line is engineered as inherent FR, which allows us for more comfortable, lightweight fabrics with the best long-lasting protection. Today, I want to give you more detail on why and how TECASAFE Plus is engineered. All TECASAFE Plus fabrics are a tri-blend fabric containing Japanese Protex monocrylic fibers, lensing Tencel fibers, and robust aramid fibers. Around 20 years ago, we found this combination of fibers creates a synergistic effect for FR protection and comfort. Starting with the monocrylic fibers, this fiber has a unique attribute that no other fiber has. It's self-extinguishing and can protect not only itself, but other fibers when blended together. In the case of TECASAFE Plus, the monocrylic fibers allows us to include a high percentage of very soft and comfortable Tencel fibers, which can greatly enhance the feeling and the comfort of the FR garment. Now, I want to show you a video. In this video, you can see that TECASAFE Plus coverall on the left completely extinguishes immediately with absolutely no after flaming. And then on the right, an aramid garment, which shows some after flame. So this demonstrates the special self-extinguishing properties that monocrylic fibers have. Now, speaking of Tencel fibers that I mentioned earlier, these fibers are extremely soft and absorbent, even softer and more absorbent than cotton. It is also one of the most sustainable fibers on the planet, made from eucalyptus trees with inherent antimicrobial properties. And then finally, we include strong, robust, and thermally stable aramid fibers, which can enhance the strength and durability of the fabric, as well as its thermal stability properties, such as char integrity and shrinkage to high heat. So optimizing the amounts of these fibers in the blend enhances the protection, the comfort, durability, including color fastness, and reduces cost to bring you a much better FR fabric. Now that we've talked about the special ingredients inside TECASAFE Plus, let's get to talking about one of our latest and most complete fabrics of the TECASAFE Plus line, TECASAFE Plus Multilite. Multilite is built with the same fibers as all of our fabrics in TECASAFE Plus to offer the best FR protection, durability, comfort, but it's even more than that. At only 185 grams per square meter, Multilite is the lightest fabric that achieves a PPE2 category for electric arc safety and is available in all shades, including high visibility colors. The way that we achieve this is by using patent-pending fiber technology exclusively found at in TECASAFE Plus Multilite. Here, you can see that we offer the rainbow of colors in Multilite, including those for high visibility. We use two fiber blends, one for our light colors, as you can see on the left, and one for our dark colors. They both achieve above an 8 cal ATPV test report, so they're both PPE2. Using two fiber blends not only allows us to offer more colors, but also greatly enhances the color fastness properties of the dark shades. So they'll maintain a deep, new uniform look even after extended wear and washing. We found that one of the major complaints that the FR fabrics industry has received over many decades was the look of FR fabrics after washing. In many cases with industrial safety, emergency response, and military fabrics, the darker shades are very prevalent among the uniforms, but these shades are more susceptible to fading due to dye stuff coming off and or fibrillation causing the surface to look fuzzy or hairy from extended washing and wearing. This is due to using special fibers and treatments that I mentioned earlier needed to make FR fabrics. To come up with a solution, we've used over 50 years of our dyeing and finishing experience on inherent FR fabrics to vastly improve the color fastness of dark shades. Through optimizing our fiber blend, dyeing and finishing chemistries, and wet processing, we can achieve unmatched after-wash appearance. This is what we have branded as our True Color technology. As you can see, and as Mark mentioned, True Color has excellent color retention after extended washing, thereby improving the color durability and consistency of your uniform for a longer garment life cycle. Let us know if you would like some samples and we can send them to you to see in person. We also know that it can get hot in Australia, and it has been proven that UV rays are much more intense in that part of the world. But one benefit of Multilite is its excellent UPF protection. With 50+ UPF rating across all colors, we have achieved this with a tighter weave construction, but in a flexible twill configuration. Now, speaking of comfort, comfort is often overlooked by many organizations because it's difficult to quantify. However, comfort of protective garments can play a big role in the wearer's ability to do their job effectively. One of TECASAFE's objectives is to not only provide fabrics that protect, but to go beyond that and create fabrics that can enhance wearer's ability to work safely and effectively. This is what we mean when we say made for life. Multilite is a perfect example of this, complete with our CoolDerm technology of fiber blend containing moisture wicking and quick drying fibers to keep you cooler and softer or drier. Multilite is also softer. We have improved our finishing techniques to soften the fabric for a more soft, supple feel right out of the bag. Multilite continues to soften after one wash. Finally, I want to talk about protection. So, of course, the most important aspect of FR fabrics is its protection level. As you can expect from TECASAFE protective fabrics, Multilite is no exception, with proven FR performance well beyond the highest safety standards, such as NFPA 2112. Multilite achieves a 34% body burn on the mannequin test, which has a very high survival rate chance for percentage with that predicted body burn. This is well beyond the NFPA 2112 standard minimum requirement of 50% to give you confidence that you are protected in any situation. Now I'll hand it back to Mark.
Thanks, Tim. It's great to get an insight into the technology behind Multilite and the TECASAFE Plus family. Now let's have a look at a corporate video.
TECASAFE Protective Fabrics is a global company with offices and facilities on 3 continents. At TECASAFE Protective Fabrics, we're proud to continue our 300-year-old manufacturing tradition as we design, develop, and produce fabrics that bring out the best in professionals, in work, as well as in life. TECASAFE Protective Fabrics is a manufacturer of protective textiles. We oversee and approve every step of production, all the way from the yarn to the finished fabric. This puts us in a very unique position. You see, we do it all ourselves. We create the right fabrics for the right application. We give end users the confidence they need to get the job done. All of our U.S. manufacturing is done at 4 state-of-the-art facilities located in Georgia and all within an hour of our corporate headquarters in Union City. Our European headquarters are located in Nijverdal in the Netherlands, as well as an additional dyeing and finishing facility. This office serves the European market. We also have an office in Bangkok that serves the Asia-Pacific region. This gives TECASAFE Protective Fabrics a truly global reach and puts our fabrics in markets where they truly need innovative, creative solutions. TECASAFE Protective Fabrics, made for life.
You can see from the video that at TECASAFE we have our hands on our fabrics all the way through production. No outside contractors at all, and that means we maintain our quality control and quality that you can rely on. As usual, there's a lot of information to take in something like this, but if you missed anything, we'll make this presentation available after the webinar, in addition to sending everyone an information pack. So finally, I'd like to thank all of you for being here for this virtual launch of the new addition to the TECASAFE Plus family, Multilite, our PPE2 lightweight 185 GSM inherent FR fabric. If you have any further questions or require some additional information, please reach out to Tim Thorne or myself. I hope you found today's session informative and worthwhile, and we'll be getting swatches and booklets out to you in the post, along with this. Along with this, there'll also be a brief email survey. If you could take a minute to do that, that'd be great, because we'd appreciate your feedback. It appears we're all dealing better with our current COVID reality and making great progress in relaxing and opening aspects of our cities, states, and indeed our country. We hope that everyone stays well, and we look forward to actually getting back to meeting with you face to face in the near future. Thanks again. Have a great day and stay safe. Thank you for coming along.